Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Nick. In this video we'll be taking a look at some of the features in UnitySelect. So this is a tool that I've been working on recently to simplify object selection in Unity. So the first thing we'll be looking at is name selection, and as you'd expect, this allows you to easily select objects based off of their names. So what I could do is type in node here, select check names, and hit select, and this will select all objects that have the word node inside of their names. One other cool thing I could do is check for objects that have node and 5, and this will select all nodes that are within the 50 range. So quite handy in a tool such as in a world such as this, where we have almost the entire map being made of nodes. With live update, we can get the list of selected objects constantly update as we update the check for text. So as you see, as we keep on typing that in, we can constantly update the list and then select those with 5 and 6, 7 and so on. Search tag will also search for the objects that have the tag that matches what you type in. So quickly I can select all untagged objects in the scene using live update and search tag. Moving on to type selection. What we can do in here is get a list of all component types in the entire scene, and just switching to type selection does that. And with that, you can quickly select all UI objects in the scene, right? All image UI objects, and then all text UI objects, and it just greatly simplifies object selection, as you can see. If we head over to edit list, you can go ahead and get rid of some of the types that you might not want inside this list, making the tool a lot more dockable. So if I just go ahead, get rid of UI, get rid of some of the other UI objects, just get that out of the way, just so I have specifically the objects that I created. Get rid of some of these Unity based objects and hit done. And you see it looks much cleaner now, a lot more dockable. Just put that on the side and use it to select objects whenever I need to. One of the other things you can do with type selection is, if we head back into the edit list, you can have a series of objects that has a given name, but that's different from the name that you see on the button. So such as here where it says shop objects, right? I can hit E and then I can edit what shows up on the button. So I could say my shops, and hit A again to save that. And if I hit done, now we should see my shops under the list. So that just makes the tool a lot more usable and makes it a lot more dockable, which is one of the major features that I have been concentrating on with this tool. So this tool does use a scriptable object approach, which means all the changes that you make inside of your scene should persist even when you close and reopen Unity. And so that obviously saves us a lot of time and gets us to work a lot better with this tool. I will leave a link, the download link for this tool, in the description. You can just simply export the Unity package into your Unity project and start using that. I am working on many more features for this tool. This is probably going to be a really large project, really great customizable tool coming up in the future. So don't forget to join our Discord to keep up to date with those changes, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a single update. Hope to see you soon, mate.